Hi everyone, I am Dara Rangga. Today I like to share my thought on Indonesia versus Bahrain match, which ended in a 2-2 draw. There were several interesting aspects of the game, including a controversial decision by the referee from Oman, Omar Alkaf. Additionally, the Garuda squad played quite well, with Rafael Strike and Ragnar Oratmangun each scoring a goal. The team performance was quite good. Despite the draw, the Indonesian national team played well, utilizing the favorite 3-4-3 formation by coach Sintayong. Omar Alkaf's decision not to blow the final whistle when the time was up left me furious, but the Garuda squad remained focused and responded with determination. Rafael's strike goal was a testament to his agility and precision, while Ragnar Oratmangun's strike demonstrated his impressive ability to find space and capitalize on opportunities. This match highlighted the growing potential of Indonesia team and their ability to compete at high level. Overall, the game was thrilling display of football with both teams giving their all. Indonesia's future in international football looks bright if they continue to build on this performance. Thank you. Those are my thoughts on Indonesia versus Bahrain match. Hi, I am Daryl Rangga. Today I'll talk about present continuous tense using this PowerPoint. Present continuous by Daryl Rangga. Let's get started. So, the presentation outline will be definition, function or usage, pattern, example sentence, exercise, answers, and conclusion. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is the way to convey any action or condition that is happening right now, frequently, and may be ongoing. It adds energy and action to writing, and its effect helps readers understand when the action is happening. Function or usage. Describing current action. Definition. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening exactly at the moment of speaking. Example sentence. She is reading a book right now. Additional example sentence. They are watching a movie at the moment. I'm writing an email to my friend. He is cooking dinner in kitchen. Key point to emphasize: the action is in progress and not yet completed. This tense often answer the question what is happening now. Using the present continuous helps to vividly paint a picture of the present moment, allowing us to highlight what individuals are engaged in right here and now. It's perfect for creating a sense of immediacy and liveliness in our description. Function or usage 2. Expression temporary situation. Definition: used for action or situation that are happening around now but are not permanent. Example sentence: they are staying at a hotel this week. Explanation: these examples show that their stay at the hotel is temporary arrangement, not a permanent situation. They are staying there just for this week, which implies that is a short-term action rather than a long-term one. The present continuous highlight the temporary nature of action or situation happening around the current time. Function or usage 3. Future plans. Definition: the present continuous tense is used to indicate future arrangements or plans that have been decided upon and are set to happen soon. Example sentence: we are meeting our friends tomorrow. Explanation: this sentence shows a definite plan that has been arranged for the near future by using "our meeting." Is It conveys that his meet that this meeting with friends is scheduled and in uncertain to occur. Function or usage for repeated actions. Definition: the present continuous can describe action that happen frequently, particularly when these actions are perceived as irritating or habitual, often combined with adverbs like always or constantly. Example sentence: he always losing his key. Explanation: this example highlights a repeated action that occurs so often it has become characteristic of the person. The use of always in the present continuous emphasizes the frequency and perhaps the speaker's annoys at this habitual action. Affirmative sentence. Formula: subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing. Explanation: in the present continuous tense, to form an affirmative sentence, you start with the subject who or what is performing the action, then you use the correct form of the verb to be, am, is, or are that matches the subject. Finally, add the main verb with an, ing, ending the show that the action is ongoing. Negative pattern formula: subject plus am, is, are plus not plus verb ing. Explanation: to form a negative sentence in the present continuous tense, you start with the subject, the person or thing performing the action. Next, use the appropriate form of the verb to be, am, is, or are that corresponds to the subject, then add not to indicate a negation, followed by the main verb with an, ing, ending the show the ongoing action. Interrogative pattern formula: am, is, are plus subject plus verb ing. Example: are you watching TV? Explanation: to form a question in present continuous tense, start with am, is, or are. Then add the subject, the person or thing performing the action, followed by the main verb ending in ing. Example sentence 1. Affirmative example: she is reading a book. Explanation: this sentence shows that she is currently in the process of reading a book. They are playing soccer. Explanation: this indicates that they, a group of people, are actively playing soccer at this moment. I am working on my project. Explanation: I refers to oneself being engaged in working on a project right now. Example sentence 2. Negative example: he is not eating breakfast. Explanation: this sentence indicates that he is not currently in act of eating breakfast. We are not going to the park. Explanation: this tells us that we, the speakers, and others, are not heading to the park at this moment. She is not listening to music. Explanation: she is not in act of listening of music right now. Example sentence 3. Interrogative examples. Is she reading a book? Explanation: this question asks if she is currently in the act of reading a book. Are they playing soccer? Explanation: this question inquires whether they are actively playing soccer at this moment. Am I working on my project? Explanation: this question is asking if the speaker I is currently engaged in working on a project. Example with dialogue. Dialogue is an example. Person A: hi, what are you doing right now? Person B: I'm reading a book. How about you? Person A: I'm cooking dinner. What book are you reading? Person B: I'm reading a mystery novel. It's really interesting. Exercise question 1. Fill the blanks with the correct form of the verb in patterns. First, he to write an email at the moment. Second, we not or to study right now. Third, they are to work on the project currently. Exercise answer number 1. Correct answer to the exercise is number 1. He is writing an email at the moment. Second, we are not studying right now. And third, are they working on the project currently? Exercise question 2. He blanks an email at this moment. A writing, B is writing, C writes. Seconds. We blanks right now. A not studying, B is not studying, C are not studying. Enter blanks on the project currently. A is they working, B are they working, C are they work. Exercise answer 2 is B. He is writing an email at the moment. And number 2 is C. We are not studying right now. And number 3 is B. Are they working on the project currently? Okay, conclusion. Summary of the key points. Definition. The present continuous tense describe action happening right now, ongoing action, temporary situation, future plans, and repeated action. Uses. Emph- emph- emphasize, emphasize the immediacy and ongoing nature of action. Pattern. Affirmative. Subject plus is are plus verb ing. Negative. Subject plus is are plus not plus verb ing. Interrogative. Is are plus subject plus verb ing. Example. Provide various example to illustrate its pattern and function. Thank you.